Hello, my name is Casper, and I will be talking about uh, what I contributed towards Operation Dark Mirror project that we worked on in a group. So this is the main menu. It has the background music and operational. It's fully operational, and it has sounds as well when you hover it or press it. So I'll quickly present the options menu first. So the actual options menu actually fully works. But yeah, I'll quickly start game and just present that this actually works and moves to the level. It has the pause menu, which is fully operational as well. It resumes the game and pauses the game at the same time. The UI is created by myself as well. Another thing that I made is basically this screen, except for the actual times up system. That's from Stuart, so he made the actual system to work so this screen appears. But I made this screen show up, as in like as in the UI part, not the actual coding part. Last thing that I wanted to present is the code. So this is quickly the code. It's not anything too serious for this one, but yeah, I did all of this code. And then let me just quickly head over to this one. This one is a bit more expanded as it does have all the functional bits. So this is the window mode, resolution, the graphics, VSync, an apply button, and the loading settings. So it loads all the settings and does have the go back buttons as well. There's some widgets here and some things that I made or I sourced. All of those are mostly made using that font or using any other object, and all of this is also mostly made. I'll just show this one as well. This is some code here as well. So this is the thing that I made for the pause menu. So whenever you press the P button, it just works. And I just helped out with whatever actually happened. So I helped out with a bit of this. It was a team effort with Stuart and me, as we did have some trouble at the beginning. So we did do it. Well, I helped out a bit, but it was mostly him. And that's basically it.
Operation Dark Mirror, level show off. Here we go. So first of all, most of these assets have been sourced. You can see the terrain here, the foliage, all sourced and put in, as with the crates. That factory was sourced. Happy with this rock, it looks really good. This fence looks good. Rich person's house, you can actually go on the steps, as you can see. Rich person there, just to do that. Crates have been sourced. Really happy with the cars actually, they've turned out really well. Just moving on, move up here, you can see there's a poor person house up here. A nice vehicle. A little pile of rubble which kind of goes with the cars to say, hey, we couldn't fix anything, so we'll just leave it here. We have our military exercise yard, complete with our military hoops, or monkey bars even, and our tires, some military vehicles, which again look good, a bus that was made by one of our team. The school has turned out really well. We have some AstroTurf grass for the kids to play on. A little play park complete with swings, roundabout and shoot. There's the factory in the distance there. Come up here to a little market. You see they're selling fruit, food, some books and comics. Seems to be floating now for some reason. Some spices. And then we have our rows upon rows of houses. But back here, we have something that's not for you anywhere else. We have a well. And that is our level. So as I said, I'm quite happy with how most of it has turned out. Most of it has been sourced, some of it has been created, which will be covered by the rest of the team. So I hope you enjoyed this quick view of what has been done in the level. Thank you.
Alright, so I did a lot of the programming for this game. Most of it was done by me, minus the UI stuff. So, I think I'll show you what I find the coolest. So over here, in the first person character blueprint, we've got most of the HUD stuff. This is on event begin play. Then down here, this is the logic to add weapons to the player. We get a list of weapons over here, and we just add them to the player. We attach them, we hide them, and then we show them again. Show the first one here. This would be the rifle you saw earlier. Down here, this is just some logic to drain stamina when you jump. Alright. Over here, this is the logic for shooting. We've also got a reloading system. So when you reload, down here we've got the pause menu. Now I didn't personally create this, so I won't really show it off, but it is kind of cool that it's down here. We've got over here, this is the logic for stamina. So, you got the drain stamina event. Basically we check if you're moving, and we just take away stamina over time. And then here is the logic for regening. So when you're not moving, we just add stamina. It's pretty simple. We got over here, the sprinting. You show drain stamina. Over here, we got the damage. Now, basically, this is just the logic to say, I've been hit, take health away. We've got testing. This is just for testing. If I press 1, I'll take damage. If I press 2, I'll heal. But this is the cool stuff bit. This allows the enemy AI, to actually damage us, provided they fire, which they do occasionally. And it also subtracts score. We've also got some logic to check if you still have enough time. Basically, there's a timer. If you run out of time, well, the game stops. So this logic up here for health regen, because, you need health regeneration. Over here, this is the logic for ammo pickup. Basically, what we're doing is we're getting the component of we're getting this spear here. If you are colliding with it, we're checking if you're a player, and then we are just giving you more ammunition. It's that simple. It's effectively the same for health, except we add more health. It's a very simple and robust system. This is the logic for them getting damaged, similar to that as in the first person character. This is the logic to detect where they were hit. So each component, each of these hitboxes as seen here, if a projectile collides with it or hits it, it will set a point bonus. Now, down here, this is the fun stuff. This is for the AI. So this is the spawner. This spawns 5 enemies total, and it will wait 20 seconds between each spawn, and it will spawn at its own location, and it will do this 5 times. Meaning, you can have enemies spawn pretty easily. Here. Now, alright, now you can see we've got some of these guys spawned. Now, if we go up to them, they will follow us. And, as you can see, they do shoot us. Now, if we shoot him, he spawns ammo. Upon reloading, we can see, oh, your ammo has regenerated. It's pretty little neat. You can see they're spawning multiple. These ones, they spawned health packs. Right? And if you collide with it, boom, your health is regenerated. Which is pretty neat. If you die, so we're just going to do this, it pauses the game, which is pretty neat. There's also the stamina bar. It works, it's just, pretty neat. Jumping does work, as you can see. And yeah, that's about it. I've been Stuart, and this has been my project. Or my part of the project, sorry.
Hello, this is Danielius, and I will be showing us what kind of 3D models we was using for our group project. So these are 3D models that we was using for our game. Half of the that we had tires that we was using for our environment, cars for our what we was using for our environment, health bar systems, all the assets, ammos, the bus that we was using for our environment game. Um, I was the guy that was trying to get 3D models for our environment game, making the assets, asset list, um, looking at the tutorials, what kind of stuff we need for our game. This is our ammo box. When you kill people, you're getting them. So speaking about all of these stuffs, it's been used on when you kill a target, you're gaining a ammo box or health bar.